I don't care what the weatherman said. If the weatherman said it's going to piss down and rain and howling gales, I think this particular storm, they keep naming the storms, is called Dennis. Is it Dennis? Dexter, that's what it is. So it's going to blow us away, get us drenched, and chop us up to 9 pieces and dispose of us in the ocean or something. I don't care. It's a bit fucking nippy though. I should have brought just one spare t-shirt. Anyway, up the hill we go. Don't lose me stick. Oh. Just got to go all the way up there. Ziggy zaggy, ziggy zaggy, ziggy zaggy, ziggy zaggy, ziggy zaggy. Yeah, falls away down again. Bah. Actually, no, the bars are down. The Welshman's Delight are down there. Talking of Welshman's Delight, is somebody's moved into the big house with the apple trees. Talking of apple trees, I think she's about 15. She should wear a bra at that age. So yeah, up the hill. I'm tempted to go on the mountain bike track. It is basically, it's not a straight run, but it's a damn sight more of a straight run. It's just steep, sheer, very, very steep. It's getting a bit nippy. See, when I get into the trees, then I got more protection from the wind whilst I'm walking. Two-edged sword kind of thing. Yes, it means less wind, so I'm not going to get freaking earache, but also means I can be perspiring more. Some fuckers got a bit over enthusiastic with the tape. This is a mountain bike track they've been pissing about with for the past month, destroying the crap out of the woods. I'm tempted to camp down here for the night, but too many bugs. I mean, I've got swarming by the bloody things. So, higher up. Much, much, much higher up. Poor calf muscles. Swarmed by bugs. If you do stop, don't have your stick straight up like that. Because if you do and you slip, you'll smack yourself in the face with it. And then it's swarmed by bugs. And if you see something running around in the woods, call it a squirrel. Even if you know for sure it's not a squirrel, and it's about 2-3 feet long, don't call it a rat. You won't be able to sleep. Call it a squirrel, even if you know it's not. Also, the little boot lace on your walking stick, keep it wrapped around your wrist. Believe me, if it does slip off, you don't have to be walking all the way back down to the bottom of the hill to retrieve it. The trail is powder. Drought, bike tyres, it's powder. And it feels like I'm walking through a fucking crime scene. Well, they couldn't find a different colour, had to be pink and white. Fucking hell. Well, you do know the reason why police colours is blue. Israeli flag. Just thought I'd mention it.